Okay, guys, so today is Saturday. I got caught up with everything I needed to get caught up on. It was absolutely crazy. I was staying up to like 5 a.m., 7 a.m. Woo! So that is done. I got a minute and 50 seconds, so I guess this is about to be a short. So, but I think I'm gonna turn it into like the boys, because I'm gonna get rid of the boys. They have this dresser. I just have to get rid of it. I always need gas. So I'm gonna have to get rid of it. So I found this, and I said, what color should we paint it? And they were like black. And I'm thinking like cream. Oh, they say black. Hold on. Okay, this literally has to be quick. So I got this here. It smells so good. It's a lavender exfoliating bar. I cannot wait to get the perfume. I got like these Ralph Lauren trousers. Really cute. I couldn't believe I found this. What? So cute. Different face masks. This little halter top is from Gaze. This is cute. Cute. Look at this. Okay, this is a really cute halter top. I saw a print. Like, no, it was like crochet. It was. This is really pretty. And then you could never go wrong with Lulu's. Super cute. And this is so cute. Look at this. It's like a little heart shape at the chest, the area. It's just a nice, really medium, heavy linen dress. Really pretty. And oh my goodness, when I saw these, look at this. Look at this. And these are Mararata collections made in the USA. So I got a black pair. Okay, I had 3 minutes now. I had to delete some files. And these are the cream ones. See, Maruto collections. Made in the US of A. Super cute. I already know what like jacket that I'm up here with it. I know I can get this stain out. I didn't even see that. If I saw that, I don't think I would have gotten it. Why didn't I see that? And that's my haul, you guys. But my favorite thing, I was like, what? Show you how it looks on. Oh my gosh. It makes me want to throw away. What am I going to throw away? I don't know what I'm going to throw away. What hat I'm going to get rid of. But this deserves to be like... Why is it like difficult to get this through? This like... My curls popping out. A cute twist out. What? I can see it. And then, so that's with it on. That's with it on. And this is, you can like, you know, undo it, right? And then have, OMG. What? And have your curls. Oh my gosh. Like, I have my hair in a protective style right now. And I really want to... When was the last time I washed my hair? Like, I want to do a really cute twist out. And the stuff that I have to wash my hair is like... I have everything I need. Because I make my own stuff. I have everything I need. Tell me this is not super cute. What's like some cute pearls? We're gonna throw this outfit together.
Wait, I want to try something. You ready?
Yeah.
So hold the video, move out of the way. Move out of the way.
You guys are silly.
Let's see what's happening.
You can tell Jordan has got pink socks and white arms. You can tell.
He's 68. He stepped over that guy that we tried to tackle him. There he go, right at the end. Yeah. Ever since they put him in, they not really doing too much.